back to the next questions. The sequence of question is question number 6. Equal moles of H2 and O2. Gases are placed in container with a pinhole. Pinhole, the gases are diffuses. It is called effusion. It is called as a effusion, not diffusion. If you open mouth, the gases comes out. It is called as a diffusion. If the gases comes out through the pinhole is called as a effusion. The term is called as a effusion. Then both can escape. What fraction of the oxygen escapes in the time required for the first half of the H2 gas escape? 3/8, 1/2, 1/8 and 1/4. 2016 NEET question. Tips you by heart it. Here rate, speed, is directly proportional to n/t, is directly proportional to distance and inversely proportional to the time, and it is nothing but R is directly proportional to x/t and R is directly proportional to volume of gas by time, T for a time. So here R1 is equal to V/T1, R2 is equal to V/T2, T2 by T1 is inversely proportional to the square root of the M2 by M1 is nothing but molar mass, molecular mass. A rate of diffusion, here pinhole, so we are supposed to be called as a effusion. So rate of effusion of one first gas and the second gas. This is nothing but N1 T1 divided by N2 T2. So R we can say in terms of volume term V1 by T1 divided by V2 by T2. Or in terms of x1 by t1 divided by x2 by t2. So these are related to this is not time. This t is called as a time. Now let us see the rate of effusion or diffusion, that is pressure and the area by root of molecular weight and the temperature. More pressure, more rate of diffusion or effusion. More area, more rate of diffusion or effusion. So rate of diffusion or effusion is directly proportional to pressure and the area. And this is inversely proportional to the molecular weight and the temperature. More molecular weight, rate is less. Less molecular weight, rate is more. Or more temperature, rate is less. Less temperature, rate is more. So for this, based on this, we can write the rate of effusion or diffusion R1 by R2 with the two different gas molecules, that is square root of M2 by M1. So that is inversely proportional to the molecular weight of the second gas upon a first gas. For this question, RO2 and RH2, root of molecular weight of H2 by molecular weight of O2, it is inversely proportional to the molecular weight. So here root of molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, molecular weight of oxygen 16 plus 16, 32. So 2 by 32 is nothing but 1 by 6, nothing but 1 by 4. Root 1 by 6 is called as a 1 by 4. So RH2 is given in the question is nothing but 1 by 2. So RH2 is equal to 1 by 2. So rate of RO2 and H2 is nothing but 1 by 4. RO2 is equal to R1 by 4 into RH2. The rate of H2 is a 1 by 2. It is 1 by 8. Just see the option. It is 1 by 8. Because they have said the time, what is the fraction of oxygen escapes in the time required for first half of the H2S? First half of the H2S. So H2 they have given as a half. So for diffusion of the hydrogen, we should consider as a half. So what our answer is 1 by 8. Question number 7. A gas such as 2015 NEET question as carbon monoxide will be most likely to obey the ideal gas. Low temperature and high pressure, high temperature and high pressure, low temperature and low pressure, high temperature and low pressure. So when this is the concept, please by heart this. When the temperature increases, volume increases, but pressure decreases. This is the concept of ideal gas. Maximum deviation from ideal gas is expected from CH4 methane, NH3 ammonia, H2 hydrogen, N2 nitrogen. Here NH3 is a polar molecule due to high electronegativity difference. So it has a maximum deviation of the deviation from the ideal gas.